afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about the design thinking approach in GSM. Can anybody tell what do you mean by GSM?
GSM is the Global System for Mobile Communication.
It is nothing but global system for mobile communication. So in the earlier we have gone for so many generations. So apart from that, this GSM is one of the cellular network and it is used for the mobile communication. Here we are going to approach how the design thinking concept has been implemented in global system for mobile communication. So for example, the first thing we have to know what are all the stages in the design thinking. Can anybody tell what do you mean by this design thinking and what are all the types of design thinking?
Design thinking is nothing but a human-centric approach. There are 5 types of procedure. There are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. These are the design thinking procedure.
So in this video, we are going to see how the GSM can be implemented with the help of this DT approach. So the first part is the empathize part. Can anybody tell me what you mean by empathize and how we are relating with the DT?
A warm greetings to everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the topic of global system for mobile communication on the concept of design thinking. When we discuss this topic according to design thinking framework, first we need to concentrate on the empathize part. In the empathize part, we concentrate on the user's problems. What are the problems faced by the users, and according to that we have to create our solution. So in the empathize part, according to the global system for mobile communication, when the communication system started, that is in 1980s, the communication for mobile have been evolved. In that stage, the users commonly face the problem, that is fragmentation of user experience, that is insufficient of channel for the mobile communication. To overcome this, we need to implement a solution which need to be overcome the insufficient channel. So we need to create a reliable and standardized communication system.
So we have so many drawbacks in the earlier systems and earlier cellular systems. So what are all the problems we are facing? So that has been involved in the empathize part. So what is the next part?
So next is the define phase. So in define, with the empathy we are getting from the users, we will next focus on the define part. So here in this case study, we will mainly focus on the GSM architecture. So GSM architecture mainly focuses on the scalability and reliability on the communication system. So the scalability is mainly on user-centric approach.
So what is the next stage?
To overcome all this problem, we propose the solution that GSM designers explore different technologies, frequency range and signal methods. To overcome that, they convert digital over analog for better communications, frequency range and efficiency. To let the GSM architecture better to use, there are 4 main parts. They are base stations, base station subsystem, mobile communications, then network and switching subsystem, operating and subsystem.
So these are all the systems we are having in the GSM architecture. So what is the next part?
I am going to explain about prototyping part. The prototyping in GSM includes creating physical infrastructure and network protocols. So it includes developing SIM card for secure authentication and mobile transfer station for wireless communication and mobile switching center for call routing. The development and the testing of these components ensures seamless connection and reliable data transfer.
So what is the last stage?
So the last stage is testing. So the testing is refining the system. So the key features like signal interference and data encryption and in international roaming to ensure the global adoption to cover the 90% of the world's population.
So just we got an idea about how the design thinking approach can be implemented in the global service for mobile communication. Can anyone conclude what are all the things we have discussed now?
In the conclusion part, as according to discussing about the global system for mobile communication, we have applied in that design thinking concept. Through this, we can analyze the users' requirements and the problems faced by them. According to this, we may create a reliable and standardized solution which may efficiently overcome the problems faced by the users. Thank you.
Thank you.